The other day I ordered some stuff from Lazada, stuff for my bikes, particularly for my Z1000R. I've been told eh, I've been told that one problem with the Z1000R, particularly the first models of Z1000R, I think the models that came into the Philippines at least, I think one problem is the rubber that they use for the signal lights, for the front and rear signal lights. They kind of go brittle and crack after a year or so, and that's precisely what happened with my bike, with my Z1000R. So I went ahead and ordered some signal lights for my bike rather than going with the stock replacements. I've decided that I'll be going the fender eliminator or the tail tidy way. And for that, I ordered some small signal lights. I ordered two kinds, both of them small, cute, so that they don't really stand out, you know. So I've already shown one type, and then I've ordered also another type of signal light. So when when I finally get around to installing the tail tidy, I can get to choose and which of the signal lights that I will use. And who knows, I might combine the two, one for the front and the other type for the back. So here we have the other type of signal light that I ordered. It's still small. And again, hopefully they work. Yeah. So here's hoping for the best. So all in all, I ordered 8 signal lights, 4 pairs of signal lights, 2 pairs of one type, and 2 pairs of the other type. So here's the other pair of signal lights. I kind of like this one. Yeah, most likely I'll go with the second one, but who knows? Like I said, I might go with the other one, with the previous one, or I might go with combining the two signal lights, the two types of signal lights. You know, probably use the first kind of signal light that I showed for the front, and then the second type of signal lights with the for the rear of the bike. If I go with combining the two, yeah, more than likely. But we'll see again. I mean, yeah. And then here's the tail tidy that I'll be using for my bike. At least according to the vendor, according to the ad, it's for the Z1000R. So hopefully it fits and there won't be much problem in adjusting there won't be problem in any adjustments. Yeah, fingers crossed and all that. Yeah. And hopefully there won't be any problems with the signal lights that I had ordered. And it kind of suck if none of them works. Hopefully at least most if not all of them works. Yeah. Probably get around to having this installed on my bike. You know, lazy ass that I am, probably get around to it in a month or so. And particularly with this pandemic, with the bugs still going around, going out. Yeah, nuts to that, man. I'll stay home for the most part.